The mouse can be used to select actions with the mouse cursor on the screen so that the program, and thus the computer, is controlled without a keyboard. It does not completely replace the keyboard since it is unsuitable for typing, among other things, but it complements it well. The mouse, unlike some input peripherals, is controlled by a separate, type-appropriate control program. There are mechanical, optomechanical and optical mouses. In a mechanical mouse, as the mouse is moved on a flat surface, a plastic ball reaching the surface rotates and moves the two systems of rollers perpendicular to each other. This horizontal and vertical movement, as well as the pressing of buttons and, in the case of wheeled mouses, the movement of the wheel, is detected by the device and its digitized signals are transmitted to the processor. The most common operation of an optomechanical mouse is similar to that of a mechanical mouse, but it sends data in the form of light. The split discs, which rotate together with the two roller systems, either block or transmit the received light to the light sensors and digitize the resulting signals and then transmit them to the computer through the port. In the case of an optical mouse, the light from the LED, light-emitting diode, reflected from the mesh mousepad is detected and digitized and sent to the processor. The connection to the processor is usually made via a serial or PS2 connector, but USB devices are also becoming more common. There is a converter that can be used to insert one type of mouse into another type of connector. The mouse can also be replaced by other devices such as a trackball and taskpad. The trackball works the same as a mechanical mouse, but the plastic ball is moved directly by human fingers. A taskpad mouse skin is a mouse replacement device that requires the surface to be stroked and tapped. These are usually made for laptops, notebooks, laptops. To make them as small as possible, you can also connect a separate mouse to a laptop. Some notebooks have a small scroll wheel mouse eye sandwiched between the keys, which works like a cross between a taskpad and a trackball. Although it takes up the least space, but it is so tiny that it is very cumbersome to use. These devices are also controlled by their drivers. Structure of the optomechanical mouse. The principle of operation of mouses. Top is the mechanical and optomechanical mouse. Bottom is the optical mouse.